The depth of water at a harbour in meters is given by d of t is 4 plus 3 sine pi t divided by 6, where t is the number of hours after midnight and t is between 0 and 12. Find the depth of water at 3 a.m. Well, if we started at midnight, then this is t equals 3. So we're just doing d of 3, which is going to be 4 plus 3 sine 3 pi by 6, which we can make pi by 2. And sine of pi by 2 is 1. So this is just going to be 7 meters. The rate at which the depth is changing at 3 a.m. So we need d dashed. So the 4 will just disappear. Now remember that sine differentiates to cos. So we'll have 3 cos pi t by 6. Of course, we know that the argument never changes, so it's going to be pi t by 6. But we're using the chain rule, so we have to multiply by the differential of the inside function, which is pi by 6. And so 3 and the 6 cancel. We're going to get pi by 2 cos pi t by 6. And then we want d dashed of 3, which is going to be pi by 2 cos pi by 2, and cos pi by 2 is 0, so that is just going to be 0 meters, and that will be per hour. And then we want the times between midnight and noon when the depth is not changing. In other words, we want where d dashed is equal to 0. And we've already found one of them being at 3. We know that d dashed is equal to pi by 2 cos pi t by 6. And so we want when this is equal to 0, the cosine is equal to 0. And as we saw in the last part of the question, cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Cos 3 pi by 2 is also equal to 0, and that would happen when t is equal to 9. So we'd have t is equal to 3 and 9. So that's at 3 a.m. and at 9 a.m.